So I'm going to use the audio from my Tentacle Sync E. Plus I have the beacon, which is on my chest. January 6th, 2022. This is the current status of my Riese Müller Homage high-speed dual battery with the Rohloff with the Gates drive. Specialized pedals, Gates drive. Starting from the front, we have the M99 battery. We have the Monteer 8000S version 2. We have the Light in Motion TAS 1200. We have this extended mount mirror, which is, I added that. The bike came with this Riese Müller bag. I did upgrade to this lock right here by Avis. It has an alarm on it. So this is the Avis lock. I got two of these bottles, Fabergé, or Fat, what it's called. So two of those. This is the phone mount that I have with it's made for a motorcycle, and it has a dampener on it. Also has the charger for the phone, which I think is cool, and the battery's inside the bag. I have this bell, which I like, those handmade in California. I did put on the back of the bike this black milk crate, which I use as my shopping basket. These two lights in the back. This light, easy to get to. This is the Rohloff e-14, which I absolutely love. Got the high-speed version of the Bosch. This lock came with the bike, so I have two locks. Basil system holds on the black milk crate. The front view, this is the mirror, which has a nice distance away from my hand so I don't bump into it. The electronic device shifter for the Bosch, and this is how to change the power. Right now I'm on turbo. This is the controller for the Rohloff e-14. That is the control for my Monteer 8000S, off the lights and etc. I like this color version. So, first time ever having disc brakes, which I love. Also love the e-14 Rohloff. These disc brakes work really, really well. I go down some pretty steep hills and it definitely stops me. So this is the 2022 update of my Riese Müller Homage with the Rohloff high speed. So just a little video. Happy 2022. A little device I got. It's almost like a Steadicam, as you can tell. It keeps the camera level for how you put it. So it's pretty cool to use this instead of trying to set up my Steadicam. This is much faster.